Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2868th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Thank you all for tuning in. This video coming at you on a Monday afternoon. We have the day off. It's President's Day. Markets have closed early. And I thought I would send this out to you so that you can prepare for what's going to happen this week. Trading is risky, as we know. Please place stops first. Never trade without them. Risk. This is a risky game. Know the risks behind it. What's going on out there? Nasdaq daily bar. Last video I gave you, we literally looked like this. And then I gave you basically a question. Will we break out? Will we finally break out of this thing? Or will it turn around and crack? And I will say 60 to 65% of you said it will go up. Many thought it would go up, and up it went. We had our breakout. Very nice, very strong. Go Nasdaq. Now, what's coming this week? Well, let's go and take a look at what's happening above the market traders. We are trading at 22,228. At exactly 22,450, which is a little over 200 points higher, we've got a double top waiting in the Nasdaq. Now, Nasdaq will do 200 points on any given day. So it could be there on Tuesday, right? On any given day, you could get a 200-point rally or range in Nasdaq. This is a much bigger than 200-point range. So is this, right? So the odds are good that we're going to get up there. Now, the thing about getting up there to that double top is this. We're still reeling from the double top in the Dow Jones Transportation Average. It's been that way, from the Dow Jones Industrial Average. We have been reeling from this double top. Once it's been hit, we've been coming down ever since. Now you've got Nasdaq reaching up for its double top while the other markets are sort of bending over, bending down, rolling over just a little. It's going to get very interesting. Let's go back to it again. It's going to get very interesting when we get to that double top. There's no Omni there. When we get to that double top, it's going to get very interesting out there because Nasdaq hasn't gotten to it yet. The others have and failed. That I wanted to show you. Back to the Dow. You can see that the Dow certainly had a lot of trouble up there, and the likelihood is that Nasdaq will as well. No one knows that for sure, but so far we've seen proof that when you do get to that high double top, you have a pullback. So let's see what happens this week. The odds are good that we probably won't take a trade on Tuesday because we've had this 3-day weekend. If a really nice trade sets up, we'll take it. If not, we'll watch the action and start trading again on Tuesday night. I hope this helps to prepare you for the week. Thank you for tuning in to livewithoscar.com. Make sure you join the free live website, and please like, share, and subscribe these videos. I'd love your comments below. Do you think Nasdaq will get through that double top, or will we fail at the double top? Leave your comments below. Will we fail or break out through the double top? You tell me, will we fail or break out through that double top? Please leave your comments below. As you know, I answer every single one of your comments. So please leave your comments below and I will get back to you. Thank you for tuning in. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are rock and roll traders. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please be careful out there. Share these videos, leave your comments, and join me at livewithoscar.com.